welcome back to the channel. I am looking like, what's his name? Not the mushroom man, Michelin. The Michelin man with this big old white coat on, but it's cold AF. And it's like, it was literally like 70 degrees yesterday, and now it's like 40 degrees. I don't get it. But anyway, I'm doing like a weekend vlog right now. Today is Friday, and I'm actually pulling up to the hair store, the beauty store, to get some hair because I'm going to get my hair braided tomorrow. So I need to pick up my hair today because my cousin's gonna be doing my hair tomorrow, so I need to go ahead and get that. So I'm about to run in here right quick and get the hair. Okay, so she told me to get queen bee braid, and I want ombre. So I think so. That's 60 inches. That long. Is it ombre? I got the hair. What you want to eat? I showed you guys the hair in the store. I'm really hoping that it's not too long because they only had 50 and 60 inches. So I got 50 and it's ombre, and they were $2.50 each. And then I picked up one of those little rope braid things. They were $1, and I have some little gold beads at home already for them. You guys probably have seen those before in my natural hair videos, but yeah, so I got my hair. I'm excited about that. And now Tiosha want to get something to eat, and we have to stop at the gas station, and then we're going home because I am doing a seafood boil tonight. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Normally I do crab legs, but tonight I'm doing whole crab. So yeah, and I never had whole crab before, so this should be interesting. I'm happy that we didn't have to go all the way to the hood to get the hair. We came right here to where we normally come to get it, because if we would have had to go to the hood, I would have been so scared, because I'd be so scared to go to that side of town. Last time I was on that side of town, y'all probably remember, I was in the Dollar Tree and they started fighting. That's that side of town. I hate going over there. I'm like terrified of this side of town. So I came to this one, and that's kind of why I just went ahead and got the hair out of here, because I'm pretty sure they had the exact color that I wanted at the other store, but I just didn't want to go over there.
I don't have to stop, baby.
Exactly. People just can't drive. It's like, it's a stop sign. You guys have a stop sign, and the people across from you have a stop sign, but we don't. So we don't have to stop. But you keep trying to roll out there. Like, oh, you know what we should try? And I keep saying we, because you should buy it and then like let me try like a piece of it. The buffalo chicken fries from Chick-fil-A. And you have a free nugget on the app. If you want, you can use mine, because I'm not going to use it. Because y'all know I be eating clean. But I used to love me some Chick-fil-A. But I've been doing good. I've been doing so good with my diet, you guys. Except for yesterday. I did slip up yesterday. I had candy for the first time in like since the Super Bowl. No, I didn't even eat candy at the Super Bowl. I ate bad at the Super Bowl party though. But I've been doing good since then. And I haven't had a soda. Haven't had candy for the first time yesterday. I'm thinking about going dairy free. If any of you guys are dairy free, let me know how you think that would go. I've been doing a lot of research on like skin and like hormonal balance and stuff like that. So I know they say like, okay, take your vitamin D pills and take your women's vitamins, and you know, eat dairy free and this, that, and another. So it's like a lot of stuff that they tell you to do for hormonal balance and like healthy skin and stuff. And I was thinking about going dairy free, but I love cheese, y'all. I love cheese. Like, I used to hate cheese when I was little because I hate like processed cheese. I don't like the American cheese. but I love like cheddar and Parmesan and mozzarella, provolone, like those type of cheeses. I love that, and I can eat it all day. Like, I love to snack on cheese. So it may be a little hard for me to go dairy free because I love cheese so much. So I don't know, but let me know how y'all feel about dairy free if you're dairy free. Okay, so I am home now, and I'm actually about to start cooking. I've been home for probably about an hour, to be honest with you guys. But I am actually about to start cooking now. So I'm going to show you guys the hair and like what I got from the store, and then I'm going to go in here and start cooking. So I kind of showed you guys the hair in the store, but this is the hair here. I don't know anything about picking out hair. I just asked my cousin what kind of hair I should get, and she sent me a picture of it. So that's what I got. I hope it's not too long, and I wanted ombre braids, so that's why I went with this. And it was like $2.49 a pack, and I had to get 5 packs. I forgot to get my earrings, but it's fine. It's fine. So I'm about to show you guys what I'm cooking. Give me a second. Alright, you guys, so I'm actually about to head out now. Today is the next day. It's Saturday now. I washed and blow dried my hair, so I'm looking a little crusty. But we are about to head out now. Where's my hair? It's in the kitchen. Okay, I'm running a little behind. I'm supposed to be there at 2, and she lives about 45 minutes away from me. And it's 1:20, and I still have to stop by the ATM, and I still have to get food because I haven't eaten. So I'm definitely gonna be late. Y'all, this is my cousin Keisha. She's doing my hair now, so we in here talking about, oh, can I tell them about Anna? Okay, we in here talking about her daughter, Anna. Y'all probably remember her from my Instagram, but she signed her modeling contract today, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, she's doing my hair now, so I'll show you guys when she's done. Y'all, they look so good. Thank you, Keisha. I love them, y'all. Look at them. Y'all gotta look at them in the light. I mean, look at them. She did that. They're so cute. I love them. Thank you. I wasn't even vlogging. So my cousin Nai, who is Keisha's daughter, she added the hair jewelry to it, and it is so cute. But I'm cold, and that's why I'm shaking. Oh, I'm cold. So now we're about to head home, probably get something to eat, and then head to the house. But I love my hair, y'all. I'll show y'all it in better lighting when I get home, but it looks so good. Okay, so I'm home now. You guys can see it in the light, and they look really, really good. And I got like a ombre type color. I showed you guys the color, but this is what it looks like. I love it. It is so cute, and she did such an amazing job. Like, I mean, look at that. They're so tight right now though, but they're not like super tight to like uncomfortable, but they feel okay. They feel okay. Like, they're manageable, but I know I won't be putting them up anytime soon because they're super tight. And like I said, in the car, my cousin and I put the little rope thing that I got in, because I didn't know how to do it. But I'm actually thinking about, I was thinking about taking one of them. Where is it? This one. I was thinking about taking one of them out because I feel like I need one on both sides. So I may take this one out, but if I do, it'll be a couple days from now. I'm not messing with them today. But yeah, they look really, really good. Like, I love them. I love them so much. I'm trying to like stay in the light so you guys can see them. And it's like a braid right here, so I can't like put my glasses on. So I didn't need to like tell her that about that, but I just like adjusted it so it works now. But yeah, I'm so excited. I love them. I can't wait to style them, and they're just so cute. But yeah, guys, so I finally got my braids. Super, super cute. And then you guys can see how long they are. They're super long. You can see it in the mirror. They're so long. So yeah, I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, all of that good stuff. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.